let us start our class. And today we are having a speaking session. As you know very well that you are now on the point of speaking. Now you can speak very well. I have seen it. By now you have given some topics. By now you have spoken on yourselves, your mother, about your father, about your friend, about your house. So in this series, today you have a very simple topic, your best teacher, your favorite teacher, and you can speak very well upon that topic. So I think you are ready. So first of all, I am calling Shri. Shri, switch on your camera
Yes, sir.
and start speaking.
Hello everyone, I'm Shri and today's my topic is my best teacher.
Hmm.
My favorite teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh ji sir and he teaches me English.
Hmm.
He is about 55 years and he is a honest person.
Hmm.
He he is best teacher for me and he teach he teaches me
Teaches,
how to
not teaches.
he teaches me how to speak English and because of him I am speaking English in present and he is very kind. He's very kind teacher and I like him. That's it, sir.
Oh, very short. Okay, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Yes, now Ronak.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranaka. Today's my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher name is Rajesh teacher. He take online class in evening.
आराम से, धीरे
Uh,
धीरे, तसल्ली से.
he
स्लो लाओ थोड़ा
he
सा बोलने में. हड़बड़ाओ
he
मत.
take he take online class in evening. He is very punctual in the take online classes. Uh, he very many times he angry with
He gets
in
angry.
the gets angry with the student. Uh, Student Rajesh ji sir is very honest and kind. Uh, kind. He is very polite. He wear normal dress. He take three classes batch 16, 19 and 18.
Hmm.
Uh, he is 40-year-old, and he is very kind. His behavior is very nice. I like Rajesh Gisa text.
Okay. आराम से, हड़बड़ाए मत करो, है ना. तसल्ली से बात
Yeah,
करो. ठीक करो इसको थोड़ा सा, अपने कम्युनिकेशन को. यस,
sir.
कमान केशव. हाँ बोल.
सर से पहले सबसे पहले है ना सुशील भैया का आया था ना. हाँ
कब आया
सर.
था?
श्री दीदी से पहले.
सीरीज वेल तो पिंकी का नाम है.
नहीं सबसे पहले.
पिंकी के बाद पिंकी का तो फॉर्म चेक करवाने में आया था. इसके बाद तो श्री का नाम आया है.
नहीं सर, ऊपर पिंकी दीदी का नाम पहले भी तो था, उन्होंने तो री स्पीकिंग के लिए डाला था.
ओहो, ये चक्कर हुआ है. ओके 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 ओके, मेरा वो गड़बड़ हो गई. चलो ठीक है, सुशील तुम बोलो.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today our topic is our best teacher. So in my student life, I have meet many teachers in schools, but my favorite teacher is Rajesh ji sir because he is a real teacher. He teaches in good manner so that we can understand easily, and when he teaches, that time I have interest in learning English. I don't know what is reason, but I have interest. He and his name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta Sarji,
Hmm.
and he is about 56 years old,
Hmm.
and he lives in Malvi Nagar, Jaipur,
Hmm.
and he teaches English. Very nice, very good,
Hmm.
and he has two children,
Hmm.
a boy and a girl,
Hmm.
and he is very polite and punctual man.
Hmm.
He and his behavior is very good, and I like his teaching method and his behavior,
Hmm.
and he teaches me English, and I am taking this class about for 1 year.
I have been taking.
Yes, sir. I have been taking this class about for 1 year,
Hmm.
and my feedback about this class is very good
Hmm.
because I am getting a real education.
Hmm.
He gives us a real education. He make able our mind to think, to speak on any topic. Now I am speaking in English because of him. So at last I want to thank you, sir. Sir, that's it.
Okay. Very nice. Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashishi Sahu, and I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is my favorite teacher. Um, in in my life, I meet with so many teachers, but all the teachers is not as like
R.
are not as like Rajesh ji sir.
Hmm. As मत
He is
लगाओ are not like. As की क्या
are,
जरूरत है? Hmm.
are not like Rajesh ji sir. He is my favorite and best teacher.
Hmm.
He his full name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta.
Hmm.
He is about 56 years old.
Hmm.
He he is very polite, kind, and equality 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 in which he is perfect.
Hmm. Equality मतलब?
एक गुण quality in which he perfect is teaching English.
Hmm.
He is very good English teacher.
Hmm.
He is he was also called the candy teacher in school life, in school time,
Hmm.
because he was he gave us so many toffees,
Hmm.
and sometime he gave us lollipop.
Hmm.
He is very punctual.
Hmm.
He never comes late.
Hmm.
He he teaches not only about English but also about our nation,
Hmm.
by which we get general knowledge.
Hmm.
He don't
Doesn't.
sorry he doesn't want
ये पागल
money.
है.
He doesn't want money.
Hmm.
He wants perfection.
Hmm.
He loves students.
Hmm.
He he likes tea so much.
Hmm.
He is a national level badminton champion.
Hmm.
He is he likes the red color most.
Hmm.
I like my teacher so much. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay. Very nice speaking. Yes, Lucky.
Yes, sir. My name is Lucky Berwa. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 16, also batch 18.
Hmm.
Today my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Dushyant Singh Chauhan sir. He teaches us very his his teaching method is very nice.
Hmm.
He teach us how
Teaches.
to solve. He teaches us how to solve reaction of chemistry.
Hmm.
He is very punctual and good person. Uh, he puts on simple clothes. He
Hmm.
lives in Khatipura.
Hmm.
Hmm. He tells us good manner to us
Teaches. अच्छा बोलो.
teachers.
Hmm.
Uh, yes, sir, that's it.
बस. वाह भाई वाह. बहुत खूब बोला तुमने. गीता.
Hello everyone, my name is Geeta. Today my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Rajesh Gupta sir.
Hmm.
He teaches me English. He is very punctual.
Hmm.
He wears simple clothes.
Hmm.
I like I like his teaching method.
Hmm. Hmm.
He uh, he he tells me what is he teaches me how to speak
Hmm.
and learn English.
शाबाश. Hmm. Hmm.
He is his nature is very good.
Hmm. Hmm.
He loves his students.
Hmm. शाबाश. Very good.
He
Hmm.
he he is a very kind person
Hmm. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा.
and
एक भी गलती नहीं बोली अभी तक तुमने. Very good. शाबाश.
he is very honest. He
ऑनेस्ट.
is
ऑनेस्ट बोलते हैं अपन.
honest. He is very honest.
Hmm.
He is about 55-year old.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. एक भी गलती नहीं बोली तुमने कहीं भी. हम्म. बस ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस रखते रहो अपना. राइटिंग करते रहो. राइटिंग करते रहो. छोड़ना नहीं है राइटिंग. कुछ भी हो जाए. चाहे थोड़ा सा ही लिखो. कुछ भी करो. लेकिन वो हैबिट अब डाल लो. कुछ दिनों के बाद ये हैबिट आपके दिमाग की हो जाएगी. अभी थोड़े दिन रुक जाओ. ठीक है ना. हैबिट्स. गुड हैबिट्स ऑलवेज पे गुड. यस पिंकी.
Hello everyone, my name is Pinky Olia. I am the student of Ramban Online Internet Classes. Today I am telling my my best teacher
अबाउट माय बेस्ट टीचर.
about my best teacher. Teacher is the very important role in our life
इज नो.
because
हैज. टीचर हैज.
they learn many things
अरे
how to
भैया
speak,
दे
how
टीच
to
यार. लर्न
sorry
कैसे
sorry.
आएगा यार.
They teach how to speak, how to learn, how to play, etc.
हम्म.
I have many teacher, but my favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta.
हम्म.
He is a very good teacher. He gives good knowledge for me
टू मी.
to me. He helps always me to me.
हम्म.
His behavior is very good and he is about 55 years old.
हम्म.
He lives in Malvi Nagar.
हम्म.
He is a teacher
हम्म.
and he takes class online
हम्म.
and he has two children, one boy and one girl.
हम्म.
And his wife name is Mrs. Kamlesh Devi.
हम्म.
And he loves all the student. He he respects all the sorry elders
हम्म.
and he gets up early in the morning
हम्म.
and he goes to JC daily.
हम्म.
He does yoga daily. It is a very best habit, my Guruji. and of
वेरी
my
बेस्ट कुछ भी
Guruji
नहीं होता है,
and
बेस्ट होता है, वेरी बेस्ट नहीं होता है।
best. Okay. He teaches yoga to me and he is like my friend because he solves all my problems uh, and he 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 is puts on simple clothes
इज
like t-shirt and
इज क्यों लगाई है?
pant.
इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है, पुट्स ऑन आ गया ना, मेन वर्ब आ गई।
Sorry sir,
आगे बोल,
sorry
आगे
sir.
बोल।
And his favorite his like he like favorite tea.
ही लाइक्स टी
He likes tea
या
and
हिज फेवरेट ड्रिंक इज टी। बोल, आगे बोल।
he takes breakfast
हम्म,
and he reads newspaper daily
हम्म,
and he watches TV sometime
हम्म।
and uh, that's it Guruji.
अच्छा बोला आज तुमने, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप,
Thank you sir.
बी रेगुलर। श्री का हो गया, रौनक का भी हो गया, पिंकी के बाद श्री का हो गया, रौनक का हो गया। केशव।
Hello, my name is Keshav. Today's my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He he teaches me English in online classes. He is about 56 years old. He also teached my father,
टीच्ड नहीं गधे, टॉट।
taught my father. Because of that, I know him very well. He all in morning walk, for morning walk he goes to Jawahar Circle daily, and he wears normal clothes. Normal clothes. He has two children, one son and one boy. One sister, one girl and one boy. His wife's name is Kamlesh Devi. सही है ना?
सही है, सही है, सही है, बोल।
He is my favorite teacher. That's it.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, रेगुलर आकर गधे। हाँ,
Hello everyone.
ओहो,
तो मेरा है।
बोलो बोलो बोलो, किसका? वैष्णवी के
So
बाद है या लक्ष्मी का?
मेरा
हाँ बोल वैष्णवी, बोल।
yes sir. Hello everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18, and today my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta sir, and he is 55 years, and he is a teacher of English, and he lives in Malvina Nagar, Jaipur, and when I was in ninth class, I met him first time. And, his teaching method is very nice. And his wife's name is Mrs. Kamlesh, and he has two children, and he wears simple clothes, and he goes to morning walk daily. And he is a very strict teacher. He is very punctual person, and he never do holiday.
He never he never has holidays.
He never has holidays. And
Yeah, he never takes leaves. ये बोलो holidays की जगह he never takes leaves.
he never takes leaves. And I like my teacher very much. That's it.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, धीरे धीरे खुल जाओगे, हो गया है काम तो अपना, हम जो चाहते थे वो तो हो ही गया है। यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir.
Today topic is my favorite teacher. My teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He is about 50 years old. My teacher is very nice. He is punctual person. The first time I have got such a good teacher. He gives very nice motivation. He is kind person. He is my he is sorry sir. He puts on simple clothes.
इस क्यों लगा रही है? He puts on. बोल आगे बोल, घबराए मत.
He is very funny teacher.
He is very अच्छा.
Funny teacher.
बोल.
He lives in Jaipur. He wakes up early morning.
Wakes up.
He always helps me. He is very disciplined. He is cultured person. Yes sir.
हो गया? Don't worry, हो गया काम तुम्हारा भी. चिंता मत करो. तुम्हारा सपना हो गया पूरा. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Today's my topic is Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from HB18. Today's my topic is my favorite teacher. As we know that the teacher is very important for us. They teaches us how to behave, how to play, how to do study, etc. Teacher is a god of our life. So today's my topic is my teacher. My favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is very nice teacher. He is about 56 years.
बोलता जा शाबाश.
He is state level badminton champion. His favorite color is, I think his favorite color is black.
बोलता जा.
He wears simple clothes. He worships God. He worships God.
हाँ बोल.
He is very nice person. He wears glasses. His wife's name is Kamlesh Devi. Yes, sir.
हो गया?
Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay. Okay. युवराज.
Yes, sir. My name is Shivraj Gupta. Today my topic is best teacher. My best teacher name is Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is 55 years old. He takes online classes in evening. He teaches English. He goes to temple every day. He worship. अरे क्या बोलते हैं? He loves all the student. He is very honest person. He just said that's it.
बस sir.
चलो he is English
हॉबी नहीं,
teaching.
his hobby.
His hobby is
जाने की
English
हिम्मत हो रही है
teaching.
तेरे को कहीं?
नहीं सर,
यार भाईले खड़े होंगे बाहर तेरे।
नहीं। He behavior is very good.
बिहेवियर।
Behavior is very good. He watches TV. He love us tea. He love tea. So that, yes sir.
चलो ठीक है। विल पावर भी होना चाहिए ना थोड़ा सा अपने को बोलने के लिए चीजों को, इच्छा शक्ति भी। अपन को फॉर्मेलिटी पूरी कर दी, देखो कई उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बोला है, खूब बोला है। कुछ लोगों ने बस 2-4 सेंटेंस बोले कि हो गया बस फॉर्म फॉर्म। ऐसे जितना ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश करोगे उतना ज्यादा से ज्यादा परफेक्शन आएगा आपके अंदर, ध्यान रखना इस बात को। दूसरी कोई चीज आपको परफेक्ट नहीं बना सकती है, अच्छे समझ लेना। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी सबका बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा है। रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई है, सुन लेना आप इसको, है ना। थैंक यू वेरी मच।